If you've been searching for an honest Yenki Derm review, you're probably dealing with the daily frustration of psoriasis. The constant itching, redness, dry patches, and flaky skin can affect not only your comfort, but also your confidence. That's exactly why Yenki Derm Psoriasis Cream has been getting so much attention lately. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped cream? In this review, we'll take a closer look at what Yenki Derm claims offer and whether it's worth considering if you're looking for relief from psoriasis symptoms. According to manufacturer, Yenki Derm is a topical cream developed to help soothe irritated skin while deeply moisturizing affected areas. Instead of simply covering the symptoms, the formula is designed to support the skin's natural barrier and improve overall skin condition with consistent use. One of the reasons Yenki Derm stands out is its combination of carefully selected ingredients. The formula includes egg oil, which helps nourish the skin, centella extract, known for its soothing and skin-repairing properties, shea butter to provide deep hydration, bentonite to help cleanse and support healthy skin, capsaicin, often used to reduce discomfort, and salicylic acid, an ingredient commonly recommended to help remove dead skin cells and reduce scaling associated with psoriasis. The manufacturer states that this combination works together to hydrate dry skin, calm irritation, soften rough patches, and improve the appearance of affected areas. While no topical cream can promise permanent results for everyone, these ingredients are widely recognized in skincare for supporting healthier-looking skin. Another positive aspect is that Yenki Derm is designed for easy daily use. The cream is applied directly to clean, dry skin, gently massaging it into the affected area until fully absorbed. Regular application is recommended to maximize its moisturizing and skin conditioning effects. However, before deciding to purchase Yenki Derm, there are several important details you should know, including realistic expectations, who may benefit the most from this product, and an important warning that many buyers overlook. We'll cover all of that in the next part of this review. Now that you know what Yenki Derm Psoriasis Cream is and how its ingredients are intended to support the skin, let's talk about what you can realistically expect if you decide to use it. One of the most important things to understand is that Yenki Derm is not an overnight solution. Psoriasis is a chronic skin condition, and no topical cream can guarantee immediate or permanent results for every individual. According to manufacturer, the best results come from applying the cream consistently as directed while maintaining a proper skincare routine. Many people looking for a product like Yenki Derm hope to reduce the visible signs of psoriasis, such as dryness, flaking, redness, and itching. The cream is designed to deeply moisturize the skin while helping improve the appearance and comfort of affected areas. Since every person's skin is different, results may vary depending on the severity of the condition, skin type, and consistency of use. Another important recommendation is to purchase Yenki Derm only through the official website. This helps ensure that you receive the authentic product rather than counterfeit versions that may not contain the same ingredients or meet the manufacturer's quality standards. Buying from the official source may also provide access to any guarantees or customer support offered by the company. If you're considering trying Yenki Derm, it's also worth remembering that topical creams work best as part of an overall skincare approach. Keeping the skin moisturized, avoiding known triggers when possible, and following the advice of a qualified healthcare professional can all play an important role in managing psoriasis symptoms. So, is Yenki Derm worth trying? Based on the information provided by the manufacturer, the formula contains several well-known skincare ingredients that are commonly used to hydrate the skin, reduce scaling, and soothe irritation. While no cream can promise identical results for everyone, the ingredient profile suggests that it may be a helpful option for people seeking additional support for dry, irritated, psoriasis-prone skin. If you found this Yenki Derm review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing your experience or questions. And if you decide to purchase Yenki Derm, always use the official website, which you'll find linked in the description below.